Hi, this is Presidential Director Karen Esposito, and I am super excited to be able to show you our new spring and summer kits. We now have 3 kit options, and I am so excited to be able to offer you all an affordable way to start your own business. Now you can join us for as low as $59 or $69 with our sampler kit. So we have 3 kits to choose from. And today I'm going to be going through each of the kits so you know exactly what comes in them and so you can make the best decision on which kit fits you best. So the 3 kits that we have are the sampler kit, the starter kit, and the deluxe kit. So let's jump in and get going and start explaining all these kits to you. So this is the one that I'm really excited about. This is called our sampler kit. And in the sampler kit, you're going to get a few samples of things that you're going to need to start your business. It's a low-cost way to get in the business and get going. And we're giving you the essential things that you're going to need to run your business. Now, one thing I do want to say with any of the kits is that once you pick a kit and once you choose a kit, that's the kit that you start with. You cannot buy another kit after you're signed up. So choose wisely and pick the kit that fits you. Of course, after you sign up, you're able to buy any of the items that you want because they will be available for you at your discount. But starting off, you want to grab the kit that's the best fit and the best value for you and for your budget. So the sampler kit has a lot of different things in it. So I'm going to show you right now. So here's a picture of it, but I have an actual blend bash box here to show you. And if you're not familiar with a blend bashes are Pink Zebra's new party experience, and they're really fun and interactive, and hostesses across the US and Canada are loving the blend bash. So we thought, what better way to start our new consultants off than to offer them a bash box. So this bash box you're going to be using to show your potential hostesses how the blend bash works. And what happens is your guests will be able to go online and order their bash box. And this is what comes in it. So you're going to get this cute pink box, and inside you're going to get a little card telling you all about the celebration. This is the celebration theme. So it'll tell you all about our Pink Zebra products. So if the customer is new to Pink Zebra, they'll know everything that we offer. The card here, this is celebration. I'm not sure what you'll get in your kit, in your sampler kit. This is just what's in this particular bash box. And you'll get that little card. You're also going to get 3 nice size samples. And this is what, again, your customers would get when they order a bash box. So they're going to get 3 nice size samples of sprinkles. And these fragrances are usually dependent on whatever theme they pick. We have a lot of fun themes for our blend bashes. And one of these samples is going to be from our Hope collection. Our Hope collection is our charity. And in the catalog, you're going to see the products that we have in that collection. 10% of the proceeds will go to our fundraising organization, which now is for Autism Speaks. So 10% will go to that. So you're going to get a sample of that fragrance. You're also going to get one of our Go cards, and this Go card has been pre-soaked with our Air Care Plus. It smells really nice. I can smell it as soon as I open the box. So you're going to get that so you can see all about our soaps fragrance. And then the other thing that comes in this box are the blending bags. So these blending bags are what your customers will take with them when they go to the blend bash, and they fill them up with their sprinkles, and they create their own sprinkles recipes. So that's what's coming in the bash box. But you do get more, so don't worry. You're also going to get samples, and you're going to get samples of all of our fragrances. So you will get the little packets here. Now, if you've noticed before in the past, we've had scoops, little pink scoops. Pink Zebra is no longer using the scoops. Now, I'm excited to say we have packets. So the fragrances, all of our fragrances will be in this kit, so you will get them. So these are to be used to show your customers exactly what the fragrance smells like. So don't be tempted to use these because these are for your customers. So you're going to get 56 of these. So you're going to get your scent samplers. You're also going to get a jar of sprinkles. And this is from the new fragrance from our Hope collection, and this is Hope Blue Skies. And it's a really nice, crisp fragrance, great for the spring and summer. So they did a very good job, Pink Zebra, with this fragrance. So you're going to get a jar of sprinkles, and then you're going to get a simmering light. And here is the simmering light that you'll get. It's rose gold. This is what we call a warming shade, so it comes with that, as well as the dish to put the sprinkles in. Has a little light bulb here as well, and the wood grain base. So you're going to get a simmering light too. You're also going to get your printed materials because you'll need those. So you're going to get a package of catalogs. So you're going to get your catalogs. You're going to get purse brochures. These are little brochures all about our company, and all of our products have a space for you to personalize. So you hopefully you'll put your label on there. You're going to get other business materials, some brochures, and order forms because you're going to be getting lots of orders. So that is our sampler kit. So now the next kit up, the next choice. So say you have a little bit more money and you want to get something a little bit more. I would recommend getting this starter kit. Okay, the starter kit is a great value, and for US it's $129, and for Canada it's $149. Now, if you're from either country, when you go to my website, joinpz.com, what you're going to have to do is go up in the top and look at which flag. If you see US and you're from US, obviously you click that, or if you're from Canada, click that flag, and then sign up under there, and you'll have the right website with the right pricing and all. So this kit, the starter kit, is great because this is one of our blend bashes. See the box there? That is a blend bash, and you're going to get that for this incredible price. A blend bash alone is $260, so this is a good price. So in it, you're going to get 8 cartons. I don't have the blend bash with me here. I mean, I have some, but for the sake of, I'm just going to show you the picture, but you'll know that you'll get 8 cartons. Each one of these cartons fills 4 jars. So you're going to get a lot of cartons, 8 cartons. And this is something where you're going to be able to get this kit and invite your friends over, and they're going to be able to fill up their bags because you are going to get 24 of those blending bags that I just showed you. So you're going to get a 24 pack. So your friends are going to be able to come to your house when you get this kit and start blending. So this kit includes everything that I just talked about in the sampler kit and then some. You're going to also get, in addition to that simmering light that I just showed you, you're also going to get an accent shade. So if you can see in this picture, you're going to get an accent shade, and you're also going to get a set of our glimmer candle set I'll wear. I don't have that with me, but it's the little candles, and you'll get those so your guests can also make candles. You're going to get all the samples that I just talked about. Each kit comes with the 56 fragrance samples, so you'll get that. You're going to get a whole row, a whole jar of, a whole roll of jars of sprinkles, so you'll get that. They're empty jars, so that your customers can also fill jars if they choose to fill the jars. So you'll get those as well. So it's a great deal, and it's a great value. This kit alone is $410 for US and $513 for Canada. So this is a great deal if this is something that you can afford. Now, if you have a little bit more money, you might want to choose the Deluxe Kit. And the Deluxe Kit has everything that I just showed you in the sampler kit and the starter kit, but it has a little bit more. This kit is $199 US and $219 Canadian, and it is a bigger value. For US, it's $560, and for Canada, it's $700. But this is our best value, and this has, in addition to everything I just said, this also has a few other things. You are going to get a simmer pot. You will also get another accent shade, so you're going to be getting 2 accent shades. You're also going to be getting stuff from our soaks line, and you'll be getting, this is one of our soaks, so you'll get the soaks, again, the Hope Blue Skies fragrance. You'll get the Reed diffuser. You're going to get a bunch of different Go cards that you don't get in the other kit, so you'll get that. You're going to get the mug. This is so cute. You can't buy this. So you're going to get a mug. So this is our Paisley mug, and I use this every morning for my coffee. So you will get that. and you're going to get all the printed materials that I just showed you. So this kit is great because this has everything. This has everything from our sprinkles line. You get the glimmer candles, you get a lot of the soaks. So this is the best value. So if this is something that you're interested in, go to my website. Again, it's joinpz.com. Here again are your choices. You have the sampler, you have a starter, and you have the deluxe. So I hope you decide to sign up and join my team. I'm always looking for team members. And I just know that when you do sign up with me, I give you all the help and support that you need. I'm not going to sign you on and then just leave you. I know I am one of the top people in the company, but don't think just because that's the case that I'm going to sign you up and leave you. That is not, it's far from it. I love working with my team. I just got back from a wonderful trip to Canada where I just spent some quality time with my team, and I enjoy working with everyone on my team and helping them reach their goals. And I want everyone to be just as successful as I am. So if you're interested in joining a #1 team with Pink Zebra, please join me. Go to my website, joinpz.com. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, bye-bye.